Similarly, with the on-site switchboards, we also provide multiple options for swimming pools. These can be adapted to the installation or the client's requirements. First of all, I'm going to explain a bit of the features of the product. The main characteristics of this product have already been explained in the previous video during the explanation of the outdoor applications. We will start with the circuit breaker and the RCB that can be installed depending on whether the installation was already protected in the previous enclosure. If this is the case, then there will be different safety measurements such as a time switch, which we would program so it automatically switches the pool pump on and off. Furthermore, a magnetic starter that protects the motor from starting, a contactor that can turn the pump on and off, and there is also an option for the swimming pools that require lighting to install a transformer that will provide the lighting. For these pool switchboard, the important thing is to assess the client's needs and design. In the catalog, we already have several options, which are the most common and adapt to many installations. However, if the client would like a different design or measurement, we will definitely be able to accomplish that. Furthermore, there are also other accessories such as switches and indicator lights. All of our switchboards come with their pertinent document like an electric diagram, detailing all the components and their connections, plus the manual of how the product works.